Let me ask you something. What if you could recommend products you already love and get paid every time someone buys through your link? That's affiliate marketing. And here's the crazy part. Most beginners give up because they think it's too complicated. But in reality, it's one of the easiest online businesses you can start in 2025. In this video, I'll break down affiliate marketing step by step, from picking your niche, to signing up for programs, to creating content that actually gets clicks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set yourself up to make your first $1,000 in commissions. Number 1. Choose your niche. Think of a niche as your corner of the internet. You don't want to be all over the place recommending random things. People need to know what you stand for. Maybe it's fitness, personal finance, tech gadgets, or even something super specific like eco-friendly kitchen gear. Here's the trick. Pick something you're already interested in, but also make sure people are spending money there. For example, if you're into fitness, instead of saying, "I'll promote everything fitness," you could narrow it down to home workout equipment or supplements for beginners. That makes your audience crystal clear. A quick way to test if a niche works. Search it on Amazon or Google. If you see a ton of products and reviews, that's a good sign. Number 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. This is where the money part comes in. Once you know your niche, you need a program that gives you a trackable link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a percentage of the sale. The most beginner-friendly option is Amazon Associates. It's free, and Amazon sells pretty much everything. Commission rates are small, usually between 1 to 10%, but the trust factor is huge because everyone shops on Amazon. Other good options in 2025: share a sale, impact, or even specific brand programs. For example, if you're in the software space, Canva or Skillshare both have strong affiliate programs. The point is, start with 1 or 2. Don't overwhelm yourself with 10 different links. Number 3. Create content. This is the part where most beginners freeze, but it doesn't have to be complicated. You just need to talk about products in a way that's helpful, not salesy. Here's a beginner-friendly example. Let's say your niche is home workouts. You could make a YouTube video titled "Top 5 Affordable Dumbbells for Beginners in 2025." In the video description, you drop your affiliate links. Or if you're more into writing, you could start a simple blog and publish "Best at-home workout gear for small apartments." Social media works too. TikTok, Instagram Reels, even Pinterest. All of them can drive traffic to your affiliate links. The key is consistency. Don't just post once and wait. Create valuable content regularly and always give people a reason to click. And don't worry about being pushy. If your content is genuinely helping someone solve a problem, they'll naturally trust your recommendations. Number 4. Earning commissions. Here's how it plays out. Someone watches your video, clicks your Amazon link, and buys a $50 set of dumbbells. You might make $3 to $5. Doesn't sound like much, right? But here's the magic. When 100 people do the same thing, suddenly you've made $300 to $500. And on Amazon, you don't just get paid for the product they clicked. If they buy anything else in that same shopping session, maybe headphones or kitchenware, you still get the commission. That's how it adds up fast. The secret to hitting your first $1,000 is simple. Focus on content that solves problems people are already searching for, like best budget camera for YouTube or cheapest meal delivery service in Canada. People searching those terms are ready to buy. So let's recap. Step 1. Pick a niche where people spend money. Step 2. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or share a sale. Step 3. Create content that helps people, not just sells to them. Step 4. Stay consistent and let those commissions stack up. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is still one of the easiest ways to build an online income without huge upfront costs. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment with your niche idea. I'd love to hear what you're starting with. Stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.